What are you eating? Are you eating a nana? Yummy, isn't it? What is that, baby? Your nana's almost gone. Huh? Baby. Elizabeth. Hello. I'm gonna get you.
Cheese.
You gonna say cheese? What is that? A camera?
Cheese.
Is it cheese? Is that cheese?
Cheese.
Your nana's almost gone. You gonna eat the peel? Here, you pull down on it like this. Pull down on it. You pull down on it like that. Get the other side. Leave the peel on so your fingers don't get mushy. What is? It's the nana's coming out. Huh. Here, get the bottom, because usually the bottom is nasty. There you go. It's a banana peel. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.